her thighs. She's pretty, look into her eyes. They tell 1,000 stories of the past. Some of the memories she wish she didn't have. She's brave like her mind. She's a woman.
Hi everybody. I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope everybody's having a blessed day. In a world that never stops moving, where screens glow brighter than sunsets and noise drowns out silence, many of us feel disconnected from ourselves, from others, and from the earth beneath our feet. But what if the peace we were searching for has been waiting for us in nature all along? Welcome to Eco Spirituality, a path of reconnecting with nature to rediscover inner peace, balance, and meaning. Eco spirituality is the understanding that we are not separate from nature. We are living part of it. Just as trees breathe, we breathe. Just as rivers flow, our emotions flow. Just as the earth heals, so can we. Across ancient cultures, indigenous traditions, Eastern philosophies, and earth-based spiritual practice, nature was never seen as a resource to exploit, but as a sacred teacher. Eco-spiritualities invite us to remember that sacred relationship. Modern life has pulled us indoors, online, and into consistent stimulation. We rush, we scroll, we forget to listen. This disconnection often shows up as anxiety, restlessness, emotional exhaustion, a deep sense that something is missing. Nature doesn't rush. Nature doesn't compete. Nature simply is. And when we return to it, we remember how to be too. When you walk barefoot on the earth, when you sit quietly beneath a tree, when you watch waves rise and fall, your nervous system begins to soften. Science calls this grounding. Spiritual traditions call it communion. Nature gently pulls us out of the mind and back into the body, back into the present moment. Peace doesn't need to be forced. It naturally emerges when we slow down enough to feel the earth supporting us. You don't need a forest retreat or a mountaintop journey. Eco spiritual begins with intention and awareness. Here are a few simple practices. Conscious nature walks. Walk slowly. Notice the colors, textures, and sounds. Let your breath match your steps. Tree connection. Place your hand on a tree. Feel its steadiness. Imagine your worries flowing down into the roots. Earth gratitude rituals. Before eating, pause. Thank the soil, the rain, the sun, and the hands that brought your food to you. Nature meditation. Sit outdoors in silence. Let sounds come and go without judgment. Allow nature to guide your awareness. These small moments create profound shifts. Nature doesn't judge your past. It doesn't demand perfection. It accepts you exactly as you are. When we connect with Earth, we often experience emotional release, a sense of belonging, deep calm and clarity, renewed purpose. As we heal our relationship with nature, we also heal our relationship with ourselves. And as we care for the earth, we naturally learn to care for our inner world. Eco spirituality isn't just something we practice, it's something we live. It shows up in mindful consumption, respect for all living beings, choosing harmony over domination, seeing the sacred in everyday life. Every small conscious choice becomes a spiritual act. Take a breath, feel the ground beneath you, feel the air filling your lungs. You are not separate from nature. You are nature remembering itself. If this message resonated with you, take a moment today to step outside, even for just a minute, and listen. Because the earth is always speaking, and peace begins when we remember how to hear it. Thank you for being here. I hope this helps you, and I love you all. Goodbye.